Hey guys, it's Carolina here from KarolinasKrafts and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm just going to show you how to add inserts into a planner. I get questions about this all the time, so I thought I would just do a video. Basically, I have my planner open here, right? So you would go into your planner, click on it, find your next clean page. So you could scroll through here by clicking on those four dots, find your clean page. You could just click on the tab if you want to put it on here, wherever you have a clean page. I'm just going to put it in January just to show you guys for the sake of this video, because I have a clean page right here. So to put inserts onto your planner, you need to have them first saved in your camera roll. When you buy inserts off of Etsy, for some reason Etsy lately has been having problems where you can't always download it straight from Etsy. So what I recommend doing is download them to your computer, okay, and then email them to yourself. Email the JPG files to yourself, and then you could save them to your camera roll from your email. Now, if the files are in a zip folder and they are inserts, if they're in a zip folder, you're going to download them to your laptop, open the zip folder, and then inside that folder you will find the JPG files, and then proceed by emailing the JPG files to yourself. Okay, so let's say I went to Etsy, I downloaded my zip file, I have it right here. Now the reason you need to download your zip files to a computer is because you cannot open zip files on an iPad, okay? Unless you have some kind of zip file device opener, but I find it just easier to download it onto a computer. Then this is closed. You're going to double click that and it'll open it, and you guys see a new folder popped up here. So that's that same folder now. It contains all of the stuff that zip file contained. I'm going to click on that. And then inside I have my PDF files and my JPG files. So for JPG files, if you're going to add them into a planner that you already have, just email the JPG files to yourself. If you're going to just use the PDF files, you're going to send those to yourself. Okay, so I'm going to just email both of these to myself so that you guys could see how this all works. So I'm just going to open up a new tab. I'm going to go to Gmail, okay, and I'm just going to open up a new thing, and I'm going to email them to myself. So type in my email. I'm not even going to bother putting in a subject, and I'm going to drag these into the email. Let them all download, okay? Then I'm going to click send, and send without subject, that's fine. So now you guys could see it sent, it popped up right here. Going back to my iPad now, I'm going to go to Gmail, oops, and then I have them all downloaded right here. So when I click on this, it just opens up in a new page, and then I click this arrow and I click save image. Okay, so I could save that image, do that for all of these. So that's for the JPG files. You save image and it goes directly to your camera roll. So you guys could see now here they're in my camera roll. Oops, I didn't even let them download completely, so that's why they saved like that. Make sure you let them download completely, guys. Let me show you again, so watch. Or, I have them opened up here. Let's try that again. Save image, okay? So now you'll see it's downloaded completely. See? That's the new one we just saved. So to put in my insert that I have in my camera roll, I'm going to click on this plus icon, then image, then photos. Then I'm going to go through my camera roll and I'm going to select the photo that I want to add in. So here's one of them. It imports like this, and you could resize it to whatever you want. So I'm actually also going to tap and crop it. I'm going to crop off the edges here. Get done, and still resizing it here. Once I have that where I want it to go, I'm just going to tap, and then it stays in place. I'm also going to do it again for the other side of the page. I have a different page that's going to go there. And then I'm also going to crop it. And then I'm going to resize it. Okay, and tap. Now, if you do not already have a planner and you just want an insert, you can use the PDF file of the insert. Okay, so I'm going to go back here, and let's say you want to put in your PDF file, okay? So I'm going to click on the PDF, but this you cannot save to your camera roll. What I can do is now open this with my GoodNotes app. So I'm going to click copy to GoodNotes. And this is actually GoodNotes 5 because I have both of them that I'm opening it with. So I'm going to click import, and that just gave me this page now. I can just use it just like this. Now the next thing that you could do is then download the other one. So the other side of the page, same thing, gonna download it. Once that loads, I'm gonna go click that box with the arrow. Okay, so I'm gonna open this with GoodNotes as well. And now it says before current page or after current page. So now this is going to be my right side kind of the planner. So I'm going to click import after current page. And now I'll be able to have my 2 pages. See? So I could go like this, and I have my 2 pages. Because they're 2 different things, they're going to come out as 2 different pages. But again, you can have them on the same page if you're putting them in as like a JPG file. Into an already existing planner. Okay, so that's the way that you would add in inserts. You could use both PDF or JPG files, but again, JPG files go into an already existing planner. PDF files you could use if you don't have like an existing planner, but you're still wanting to try out GoodNotes, for example. So that's just the way to do it. And quickly to show you on GoodNotes 5, the plus icon is right here. And then you could click on image and then also look through your camera roll and stuff like that. They used to have like a little scroll here. I don't know what happened to that. Maybe, oh, right here. If you click on images, you could also just like quickly view your scroll. Okay, so that's the ways that you would add in GoodNotes 4 and GoodNotes 5, and that's just adding in inserts to your planner. So I hope this video was helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye!